Hey everyone! If you want to add images in your Docsify website to make your documentation more visual and professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add images in Docsify in 2026. First, prepare your image file. Make sure your image is clear and saved in formats like PNG or JPG for best compatibility. Next, add your image inside your Docsify project folder. This keeps your project organized and easy to manage. Now open your Markdown file and use image syntax. You write an exclamation mark, then square brackets for alt text, then parentheses for the file path. Make sure your image path is correct. Wrong file names or locations are one of the most common reasons images don't show up. Refresh your browser to test your changes. Your image should now appear inside your Docsify page. You can also use online image links. Just paste the direct image URL instead of storing it locally. And finally, if images still don't show, check spelling, file location, or clear browser cache. Small mistakes can easily break image loading. So yeah, that's how you add images in Docsify. Follow each step carefully, and your documentation will look much more professional and easy to understand. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey,